But one thing y'all know about me, I don't play, so just beware. You catch me up in VIP, up in the club, that's my atmosphere. Cause I got money to spend, I keep getting it in from the hood, so I don't play fair. And I'ma keep living it up, getting it up, throwing it up.
Yo, break the peas down to onions, money in abundance. I'm in the lower millions, I'm trying to get in the hundreds. Niggas pants too tight to fight, so they don't want it. Pay for somebody to protect you, so where you gun at? Been there, done that, seen the coke come back. Seen niggas come home from jail, then run back. Singing the same sad song, my nigga won that. Negative energy, stick to him like the thumbtack. Real hustler, probably sold 1 million in 1 packs. Niggas think they smart and nice, but they dumb whack. It's only till you crack they skull, give them a mum rap. When it's cold, I reside wherever the sun's at. Sun's back. What?
About me, I don't play, so just beware.
What's up?
You catch me up in VIP, up in the club, that's my atmosphere. Cause I got money to spend, I keep getting it in from the hood, so I don't play fair.
We major.
Yo, Kiss, you know I had to hop on this, fam. I stay where they wanna be without a wristband. Tryna stick dick to a thick fan. Yank fitted on lean like a kickstand. Little man, don't hate me, I'm a boss. Waitresses looking like Macy's on the 4th. And of course I'm in the cut cause Joel is dope. But I'm hood, I'll hop over this velvet rope. Put my foot in your ass till the smell is gross. Hope you ain't telling when you yelling cause your melon broke. But tonight ain't nobody getting popped on. I'm working on a threesome like a lock song.
One thing y'all know about me, I don't play, so just beware. You catch me up in VIP, up in the club, that's my atmosphere. Cause I got money to spend, I keep getting it in from the hood, so I don't play fair. And I'ma keep living it up, keep getting it up, keep throwing it up until it all goes.
3-piece suit or fatigues, all I gotta do is look a certain way and you'll bleed. 4 words describe me, niggas can't fuck around. Fish scale verses, prices go up and down. Put it out there, see if it tastes right. Young Jewish bulldog, keeping the case right. Apartment on the 4th floor, keeping the base right. Jacksons and Benjamins, keeping the safe right. 1st and the 15th is when we break nights. Bunch of red beams on your head like brake lights.